All right, guys, this will be the third time trying to do this. Whatever, something's going on. The freaking camera's not working worth a damn. All right, right now we've got it plugged back in. All his injectors are plugged back in now. So we're gonna turn the key on. Okay, what it sounded like, we're gonna do a buzz test here real quick. What it sounded like was that number 3 and number 5 are the only ones buzzing. So, yeah, let's listen to buzz test here. We'll do all of them and then one at a time. There's all of them. 1, 2, 3, 5. So it sounds like 3 and 5 are the only ones buzzing. Listen close. Okay, now let's go look at the screen and see what it says. What does it say on there? Pass.
It says they all pass.
And it says they all pass, so that's a good reason why buzz test just freaking kind of sucks. All it really tells you is if the wiring's not hooked up. But we've definitely got either some weak coils or, you know, just, I mean, it's, you know, it's injector time. So, in fact, it's buzzing. We've ruled out the FICM harness. The injectors are, I mean, they're the last bit in the puzzle, so that's just what it is. We got a number 2 injector even after it fires up that shows bad. The rest of them, once it actually gets fired up, what we probably do is it's cold right now. We could probably start it up, get it running and get some temperature in it, then it'll probably fire up good. You know, the more we try to buzz it, they'll probably come to life. But right now, this hard start, yeah. I just want to like to show, because very rarely does injectors, you know, do they get this bad actually? You know, where it actually needs pretty much a full set. I mean, just dust your hands of it, put a full set in it, and be done. I mean, that sucks. But we are getting a number 6 glow plug code only, just a number 6, which that's fine, whatever, but it'll still start just like normal even with one glow plug out. Yeah, so all right guys, have a good day.